Arlene Sanguines. Today's video is another what I eat in a day, but it's extra special because I finally get to share all the things that I've been eating and loving from my new home. It's just so much better when you have like your own space to be able to cook your own meals, and I get to share all those things with you guys. So hopefully you guys end up enjoying everything that I eat today. I will also be sharing a lot of my favorite supplements. These two I've shown you guys in the past. This is the Hum Daily Cleanse and the Hum Gut Instinct. And then I also introduced this guy to my diet recently. This is the Hum Rip Booster, our fat burn support. Also, I did want to mention that this video is sponsored by Hum Nutrition. You guys know that I've been taking them for a while. I love them, and a lot of you guys love them also. So what's super cool about Hum is that you actually go online and you can take a beauty quiz and you just answer a few questions about like what your diet normally looks like, if you eat enough veggies or whatever it is, and then you actually get a personal nutritionist who sends you their recommendations of what your body needs. So that's what I did the very first time I tried them out, and then these were the things that were suggested to me. This one I started taking recently, like I said, because I finally got back into like a gym routine. And then of course like my gummies also that I've been taking for a while. So links to everything will be down below. Make sure you guys do check them out. I love them and they're part of my daily diet. But yeah, hopefully you guys end up enjoying all the meals that I show you guys. I am freaking loving being able to shop wherever and do whatever. You guys, I don't think you would understand unless you've lived out of a bedroom for a while and like didn't have your own space. Then maybe you can understand, but like nonetheless, these things are all going to be very easy things. You guys know I'm all about making easy meals, easy and healthy meals. So yeah, okay, that was the longest intro ever. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on post notifications, and let's jump into it. Okay, I'm finally home from the gym and errands. It's 11:30 now. I'm finally gonna break my fast, and I'm also gonna take my Hum Nutrition, which I've actually like pretty nicely placed in this drawer here, and I feel like it's a good spot for it. Like I have like vitamins and stuff in here. So I have my Gut Instinct that I've told you guys about. And then it's cool because it tells you exactly how to take it here. It says take 1 capsule daily on an empty stomach. I know I'm about to eat right now, so I should have taken that actually before the gym. And then the Daily Cleanse, this one you take 2 capsules daily. And then a new one for me that I've just incorporated because I just like got back into like a routine of working out now that I've finally like found a gym to work out at around here. This one is the Ripped Booster, which is the fat burn support. This one you take 1 capsule 2 times daily with food. And then at night, you guys also know that I take my Hair Sweet Hair little gummies. But yeah, those are all the things that I take as soon as I get home. Okay, so for my avocado toast, I'm going to add some micro arugula on top. This is gonna make it taste like it's so good and fresh that way. And then obviously some avocados, and then the bread that I'm using is just this Oro Wheat oat nut bread. I found this at Costco. It's not my absolute favorite. I feel like there's other healthier ones, but this is just the one that I had available. And then the other key things are a little hint of lime is gonna make it taste so good. Oh, some red pepper flakes. Let me grab those. So yeah, some little crushed red pepper flakes, and then salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. And to go with the avocado toast, I am going to make myself some coffee. I've showed you guys this Nespresso machine before a bunch of times. I freaking love it. I do 2 of the Lungo shots, which are basically long shots. And actually, I'm going to first add ice because I always like iced coffee. And because 1 is not enough, I do 2. Voila, avocado toast is all done. So now I can move on back to my iced coffee. I'm gonna add some of this Barista Blend almond milk. They have an oat milk one, which I'm actually waiting for an order from Thrive Market for the oat milk one, just because I can't always find it in store. And that one is so good. It's my favorite. This is my first time trying the almond milk one, so I guess we'll see how this one tastes. I just assumed it would be as good as the oat milk one. Voila, breakfast is served. Alright guys, it's 3:20 now and I am getting hungry again. Weston suggested a smoothie and I thought, you know what, that actually sounds pretty bomb dig. So I'm gonna show you guys my like green healthy-ish smoothie. And I like to use a Ninja blender because it's just so easy and convenient. In the past I've had some of the nicer ones like the, what was our old blender called?
Ninja?
No. Super easy peasy but delicious. Just this antioxidant blend. I try not to go too crazy with this because it obviously does have a lot of natural sugars. Some banana. These are just bananas that were going bad and then I just always end up cutting them up and then I freeze them. And then some kale. Lots of kale. Oh, I'm making a mess. And then the milk I like to use is the Silk Oat oat milk. I like the Oatly brand better, but they were all out at Target, so I got this one. And Target now, like, surprisingly carries a ton of, not a ton, a few different oat milk brands. And I feel like these are easier to find at like grocery stores too now. I have my kale and oat milk. Add some banana. Probably about half a banana there. Lastly, I'm gonna add some collagen peptides. These are just completely flavorless and collagen's just good for your skin, your hair, your nails. Nose up. Voila, that's it. Easiest smoothie ever, but it's so good. And it's filling, like perfect meal to have between kind of like a lunch for dinner. You guys, so we're about to go watch a movie. We stopped for some snacks because I already know I'm gonna get a little hungry. Weston with the unhealthy route.
Guess where we stopped?
Yeah, guess where we stopped. And I decided cuties sound bomb dig to eat during the movie. I love cuties. I go through phases with like my fruits and I've been obsessed with cuties recently.
Yeah.
And you're a cutie too. And some kombucha. This one is the Synergy Cosmic Cranberry. It's good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna snack on during the movie.
Yummy!
Okay, we're back from the movie and I want to make a quick dinner, so I'm going to do some chicken breast. I'm just going to like cube it up, some broccoli, and then this is kind of like the star of the show. It's organic edamame fettuccine. It's gluten-free, high protein, and I've actually, like, I read the nutrition label and this has like the least carbs of any other pastas that I've seen. There's even like chickpea pastas or like garbanzo, like different like bean pastas and stuff. This one has the least carbs that I have found and I feel like it tastes pretty good. Like I like the taste. So I'm gonna use some leftovers that I had and I even have some in like a spaghetti form, but you know what, why not use it up? And then I'm also going to use this Victoria vegan Alfredo sauce. No, obviously, like that's kind of like an oxymoron. I'm not vegan or anything, but I mentioned this before. I have horrible acid reflux. So I've been kind of trying to pinpoint like what makes my acid so bad. Like every single day, it's like 10 times a day. So usually a lot of like pasta sauces will give me really bad acid reflux too. And I tried this one last time and it didn't give me acid reflux. So I'm gonna use it again because I liked it. And so yeah, I don't know what it is. I've also tried like reading online what can help my acid, and a lot of things I've read said like try a gluten-free diet. So I have been trying to incorporate a lot less gluten than before. I'm not perfect at it. I'm not the best at it, but I'm trying. So that's what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm gonna cook it up. It should only take like 20 minutes start to finish. So again, super easy, super quick. Let's get to cooking. Talk about lazy girl style. I'm just doing this to the big ones. Garlic salt. Okay, this is what we got going on. The broccoli is pretty much done. Boiling up the water for the fettuccine pasta, and then I got the chicken here. I did season it with some of this Nor Caldo con Sabor de Pollo chicken flavor bouillon. I basically picked up this habit from my mom. I remember she used to put it on everything, so I think that's why I like it so much. I love this. I feel like it makes the chicken taste so good. It does have a lot of sodium, so use it lightly or however you want. Okay, so once you bring your water to a boil, you can add the edamame fettuccine. These are all my leftovers that I've had. I'm gonna add the spaghetti one also. I know they're different, but you know what? It's the same exact thing, just in a different shape. You place the lid on for 4 to 5 minutes, and then that is done. Meanwhile, the chicken's almost done. See, like I said, this meal is so easy. And I've probably been working on it for like 10-15 minutes and it's almost done. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can go ahead and drain the pasta. I'm gonna add it to the broccoli. I'm also gonna go ahead and add the Alfredo sauce. Add the chicken. everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also turn on post notifications. Oh, and also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I've been sharing a ton of recipes. I don't know why I've become almost like a foodie Instagram. Like, I don't know what, I think it's just because I have my own space and kitchen that I've been like showing you guys all the healthy meals that I've been eating. So make sure you guys follow me there. Make sure you guys check out the description box for everything that I talked about and Hum Nutrition. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.